Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. I am studying in first year BE Electrical and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am discussing about attenuation and types. Attenuation, the loss of the strength suffered by optical signal when it is propagates through the fibers is called the attenuation or fiber. As a result, output power through an optical fiber is always less than that of input signal. It is expressed in the decibel per kilometer. Types of attenuation. Absorption. The arises due to the absorption of photons associated with the optical signal. This absorption losses of two types. This is the intrinsic loss and extrinsic loss. Intrinsic law. Absorption. The absorption of signal photons by basic core material itself is called intrinsic loss. The arises due to the fact that molecules in the fibers absorb the energy at a certain wavelength. Even the highly pure glasses absorb light energy in the specific wavelength region. Extrinsic absorption. These are due to the absorption of the light energy by the impurities present in the fibers. Electrons and absorbing energy get excited to the higher energy status. Later, these electrons are de-excited into the lower energy level, but liberating energy in the form of heat. The type of impurities atoms generally present in the fibers are such as the transition metal ions such as iron, chromium, manganese, vanadium, and magnesium, etc. The other impurities at atoms such would be causes significant loss in the hydroxyl ion OH minus, which which enter into the fiber at the time of fabrication. This indicates the high purity silicon glasses are required for the communication. These losses can be minimized by the restricting metals ion the contents to less than the few parts billions and OH impurities to less than the few parts per million. Scattering. There is the structural inhomogeneously and imperfection present in the fiber such enters into the fiber during the fabrication of the fibers. This leads to the sharp variations in the refraction index of the material, which are the smaller than wavelength of the signal. When signal travel in the fiber, the photons may be scattered by these smaller particles. This type of scattering is small as the Rayleigh scattering occurs when a light wave travel through a medium having the scattering object whose dimensions are the smaller than wavelength of light. Radiation losses, bending losses. The radiation losses occurs due to the bending of optical fibers. Two, two types of the bending are observed in the optical fiber. They are micro bending and macro bending of the fibers. Macro bending. Bending of the fibers have radii more than the radius of the optical fiber is called micro bending. This bending generally occurs while turning the fibers around the corner or while wrapping the fibers. If the bending is the more than the critical value may result in the modification of the angle of incidence on the core cladding in, interface, and hence the signal failed to the undergo the TIR. Hence, radiation loss takes place. Microbending. Microbending occurs due to the small scale fluctuation in the linearly of the fiber. The bending or the occurs due to the non uniformities in the manufacture of the fibers or by the lateral pressure or the crashing force to the which the fibers might have the objected during the cabling. Cabling fibers at this bends light ray undergo the flexions and couples between the various modes. As a result, light out of the fibers. This loss can be minimized by the covering of the fiber with the compressible jacket over the fibers, which can withstand the stresses and also by keeping the fiber strength. Thank you for watching.